Hi, I'm James, part of the technical team here at Tagra Lighting, and today I'm here to talk to you about our new range of professional and commercial outdoor LED festoon strings. Festoon strings are commonly found in venues such as outdoor gardens, bars and restaurants, as well as wedding venues. They're perfect for creating an inviting atmosphere and are a great decorative element. Our current range of festoon strings are all available and connectable up to a maximum length of 100 metres, with lengths ranging from 5 to 50 metres and available with lamp spacings of 500mm, 750mm and 1 metre. Our core series of festoon strings, featuring a B22 base and an ingress protection rating of IP44. This means it's perfect for use for short-term outdoor installations and domestic environments where light water exposure may occur. Made from PVC, this offers great flexibility for navigating corners, as well as protection against both abrasion and moisture. This range is available in both black and white finishes. Our core range also includes the Edison 27 shaded variety. This is available in 15 metre lengths, and the shaded style offers that extra decorative element. Our Pro Series range, again with a B22 base, this range has an IP65 rating which offers greater protection against damp and moisture. Its rubber construction offers superior durability and abrasion resistance. The Pro Series Festoon base contains a quick lock mechanism, leading to much faster setup times. Our Pro Series range also includes the pendant drop and alternate pendant drop. These are available in 10 and 5 metre lengths respectively, however, only have an IP rating of 44. As well as our festoon strings, we stock a great range of shatterproof B22 LED festoon lamps. These are available in both golf ball G45 and GLS styles, and available in a wide range of colours and combinations. The GLS style of lamps is available in both opaque and clear. The opaque is available in warm and cool, as well as coloured variations in red, green, blue and yellow. The clear style is available in both warm and cool white. Our golf ball G45s are also available in both clear and opaque. The clear, however, is only available in very warm white, whereas the opaque is available in both warm and cool white, red, green, blue or yellow, or a special RGB auto colour changing. Our core series shaded range with the Edison 27 bases can come with either the G95 globe or the ST64 squirrel cage lamp types, both in amber tint finish. To enable connection up to 100 metres, all our festoons come with an easy to use push-in and screw connector. All of our festoon strings come with a pre-moulded suspension point included, as well as hooks for fast deployment. Accessories available across the entire range include the T-split connector and a 3 metre extension cable. So in summary, both our Pro and Core series festoon ranges offer a great flexibility and variety of options for almost any situation.